Welcome to a world where every view from the window is worth millions, and every door hides its own luxurious story. Today, we will immerse ourselves in America's most elite real estate, and to make sure you don't miss any new reviews and always stay up to date with the most impressive real estate, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. High above Central Park, at one of the city's most legendary addresses, awaits a penthouse that merges cinematic history with timeless luxury. Welcome to PH 19/20 at 55 Central Park West, a two-level architectural treasure that occupies the crown of one of Manhattan's most iconic pre-war buildings, spanning over 4,200 interior square feet, with more than 1,000 square feet of private terraces. This five-bedroom, five-bath residence delivers an extraordinary combination of scale, elegance, and panoramic beauty. From every major room, you're greeted by breathtaking views of Central Park, the Manhattan skyline, and the Hudson River beyond, sunsets, seasons, and city lights unfolding like a moving painting. The interior blends classic grandeur with modern sophistication. Step into the Grand Salon, a double-height living room crowned by a 19-foot coffered ceiling, wood-burning fireplace, and oversized arched windows that frame the park in all its splendor. The space flows into a formal dining room with French doors that open onto the terrace, perfect for evening dinners with city views. The kitchen is a chef's dream, complete with top-tier appliances, marble countertops, and custom cabinetry, designed for both function and show. Upstairs, the primary suite occupies a quiet corner with its own private terrace, double walk-in closets, and a spa-inspired marble bathroom. 4 additional bedrooms, all with ensuite bathrooms, offer space for guests, family, or even a library or studio. Every inch of this penthouse is designed with thoughtful luxury, from the herringbone hardwood floors to the restored original details and museum-quality finishes. But this home is more than just beautiful, it's legendary. This exact building is a New York City landmark, instantly recognizable from pop culture and architectural history, and the penthouse itself is unlike anything else on the market. A rare duplex that feels both majestic and intimate, offering complete privacy while floating above the most famous park in America. Amenities include full-time doorman, resident manager, private storage, and white glove service. But the greatest amenity of all, the terraces, expansive, elevated, and alive with light. Whether it's morning coffee with bird song over the trees or twilight cocktails above the city, these outdoor spaces redefine what it means to live in New York. This is not a property. This is a crown jewel, a penthouse for those who understand legacy, proportion, and the enduring value of location. PH 19/20 at 55 Central Park West is where history, elegance, and views meet, and it's available now for those ready to own one of Manhattan's most storied addresses. If you're enjoying this tour of New York's finest homes, make sure to subscribe for more exclusive listings and hidden gems from across the city. In the very center of Manhattan, rising 1,050 feet into the sky, stands a residential tower that redefines vertical luxury, 53 West 53rd Street. Just steps from the Museum of Modern Art, this architectural icon is more than a home. It's a statement. And on its 72nd floor sits Residence 72B, a full-floor, ultra-luxury apartment that captures the essence of New York prestige in every detail. Spanning over 3,700 square feet, this 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath residence offers breathtaking, unobstructed views in all 4 directions. From the soft green expanse of Central Park in the north to the glittering towers of Lower Manhattan in the south, every wall of this residence is made of glass, stretching from floor to ceiling, flooding the interior with natural light and offering a living canvas of the city's ever-changing skyline. Step into the 40-foot-long great room, and you'll find yourself surrounded by panoramic beauty, sunsets, city lights, and clouds drifting past your windows. The open concept layout is designed for both grand entertaining and intimate evenings with quiet acoustics and seamless transitions from space to space. The kitchen is a sculptural showpiece, blending form and function with custom Molteni cabinetry, polished marble countertops, and a full suite of Gaggenau appliances, Discreetly integrated lighting and sleek architectural lines create an atmosphere that is as serene as it is refined. The primary suite occupies a dramatic corner of the building with double exposures that frame the city like a private theater. It includes 2 walk-in closets and a spa bathroom clad in Peruvian travertine, complete with radiant heat floors, a freestanding soaking tub, and a custom double vanity that mirrors the minimalist elegance of a 5-star retreat. 2 additional bedroom suites are equally private and luxurious, each with ensuite baths finished in French limestone and brushed nickel fixtures. Throughout the home, the design language is quiet sophistication. From solid oak floors to subtly textured walls, everything has been curated for timeless appeal, but the experience of living here goes far beyond the apartment itself. As a resident of 53W53, you gain access to over 30,000 square feet of private amenities, including a wellness center with spa, sauna, and lap pool, a private dining room with catering kitchen, a screening room, temperature-controlled wine vaults, and even in-building art storage. The full-time staff includes concierge, doormen, porters, and private service teams trained to deliver the highest level of personalized attention. Designed by the legendary architect Jean Nouvel, this tower stands as both a structural marvel and an artistic companion to the museum below. The architecture alone is a conversation, sharp, angular, and unmistakably modern, and it makes every residence inside feel like a gallery of its own. This is not just a place to live, this is a place to arrive, to experience, and to remember. Residence 72B is a home in the sky for those who demand the rarest views, the finest finishes, and a lifestyle that's as elevated as the city itself. Soaring above Midtown Manhattan, where Fifth Avenue meets modern art and global luxury, there is a penthouse that redefines elegance in the sky. Welcome to Penthouse 43 at 20 West 53rd Street, the crown jewel of Baccarat Hotel and Residences. A full-floor, ultra-luxury residence with over 4,500 square feet of interior space, this 5-bedroom, 5.5-bathroom home offers unobstructed 360-degree views of the city's most iconic landmarks, from Central Park and the Hudson River to the Empire State Building and beyond. Every window is a frame, every view a living, breathing postcard of New York. The Great Room alone spans nearly 50 feet, wrapped in floor-to-ceiling glass, bathing the interiors in natural light by day and the city's glow by night. The ceilings rise over 11 feet high, creating a sense of quiet volume and visual clarity. The interiors are refined with meticulous restraint, white oak flooring, polished surfaces, museum-quality walls ready for art, and custom lighting that adjusts to mood and time of day. The kitchen is sculptural yet functional, with lacquered cabinetry, honed marble countertops, and a full suite of Miele and Sub-Zero appliances. It's a space designed not just to cook, but to host, gather, and impress. The primary suite is a private sanctuary, occupying the northeast corner of the building with panoramic exposures of the park and skyline. It features 2 massive walk-in closets and a master bathroom clad in Lido white marble, complete with radiant heated floors, freestanding tub, double vanity, and a walk-in rain shower surrounded by glass. 4 additional bedrooms offer ensuite privacy, skyline views, and world-class finishes, ideal for guests, family, or working from the clouds. But what elevates this residence beyond expectation is not just the layout, it's the lifestyle. As an owner at Baccarat Residences, you gain privileged access to the hotel's full suite of 5-star amenities: a spa, fitness center, 24-hour concierge, private dining spaces, room service, housekeeping, and even a crystal bar downstairs that rivals the best lounges in the city. Every detail of Penthouse 43 has been curated for seamless, elevated living. Whether you're hosting diplomats, watching snow fall over the park, or simply enjoying the silence that comes with height, the home is delivered with automated shades, custom AV wiring, and temperature zones that respond intuitively to your presence. Privacy is absolute. Private key-locked elevator, full-floor layout, and sound insulation that creates pure stillness above the city's hum. This is not just a penthouse, it's a flagship, a high-altitude sanctuary that brings together art, architecture, service, and serenity. Right in the beating heart of Manhattan Penthouse 43 is where Fifth Avenue's pulse meets international discretion. For those who seek the finest, not the flashiest, and who understand that true luxury whispers, not shouts, now available and unmatched. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Which residence has impressed you the most so far? Leave a comment below and let us know. There are apartments in New York, and then there is the Dakota. Perched on the northwest corner of Central Park and West 72nd Street, this 19th century landmark is one of the most iconic and storied residences in the world. Today, we step inside an extraordinary duplex within its historic walls. Apartment 8/4, a 4-bedroom, 4-bath masterpiece that blends rare architecture with timeless elegance, spanning over 4,800 square feet. This residence is as much a piece of history as it is a home. From the moment you enter, the craftsmanship is undeniable. Soaring ceilings, inlaid hardwood floors, original mahogany doors, and decorative moldings that tell a story of another era. But this is not a museum. This is vibrant, refined living on a scale few homes can offer. The double living room is grand yet warm, with park-facing windows, hand-carved fireplaces, and a layout perfect for both conversation and solitude. Adjacent, a formal dining room offers space to entertain in true old New York fashion, framed by wood paneling and chandeliers that reflect generations of elegance. The kitchen, while updated for modern life, respects the heritage of the space, with custom cabinetry, marble counters, and premium appliances integrated into a classic layout. Upstairs, the primary suite feels more like a private retreat in a European townhouse than a city apartment. Corner exposures bring in soft northern light. The ensuite bath, complete with soaking tub, marble finishes, and walk-in shower, brings spa-level comfort to the heart of the Upper West Side. 3 more bedrooms, each with unique proportions and character, offer space for guests, children, or creative use. Everywhere you turn, this home reveals charm, depth, and a quiet confidence. A space where silence and history speak in equal measure. But owning a residence at the Dakota is about more than square footage. It's about legacy. Built in 1884 and designed by Henry Hardenberg, the Dakota has played host to artists, legends, thinkers, and visionaries. Its facade is recognized worldwide. Its central courtyard, gas-lit lanterns, and ironwork balconies remain untouched by time. Amenities include full-time doormen, porters, elevator operators, and a level of privacy and service that modern towers can't replicate. Apartment 8/4 is one of the few homes within the Dakota that offers this scale, this light, and this degree of architectural preservation. It is at once dramatic and livable, a residence where the past is never far and the future still feels at home. Whether you're watching the seasons change over Central Park or simply walking down its famed halls, life at the Dakota offers something increasingly rare in New York: permanence. For those who understand not just value, but significance, this is more than a home, it's a place in history. Every home tells a story, and we're just getting started. Subscribe to stay inspired, leave a comment with your favorite, and we'll see you again very soon.